Cassie, where is letter A? A. Give me the letter A. Very good. Where is letter E? E. Where is letter E? Very good. Where is letter I? I. Where's the letter I? I. I. Where's letter I? I. Very good. Where is letter R? R. 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 Where's letter R? R. Where's letter R? Very good. Where is letter O? O. Where's letter O? O. O. Very good. Where is letter Q? Q. Q. Where's letter Q? Q. Very good. Where is letter H? H. Where's letter H? H. Where is letter H? Very good. Where is letter G? G. G. Very good. Where is letter